As I was just scrolling on my YouTube feed, I found a video that scared me so much. This was a video about this AI and the capabilities of what it can do. I'm telling you, if you are a teacher, if you create YouTube content, I'm just here to tell you the future is here. This is scary. This AI, I'm just here to check if it's as powerful as it seems because it scared me a little bit. So I'm just here to check how powerful this is. Starters, you have to name this chart. Let's say chart. For me here, description is optional, so I'll just save this. Then wow, here you have to log in with your Gmail account for you to be able to save the chat. Yes, then it should be on the streamline real time. The thing is, this AI, they say it's capable of teaching you things. You don't need to watch a YouTube video for you to be able to learn how to use software, for instance. When you are here, you have three options. You can just talk directly to it and start a conversation using your microphone. And also, you can use your webcam to share what you are looking at and get real time feedback. Also, you can share your screen so that it can also help you with something. Here, what we want is to share the screen with the software that we want this AI to teach us. So I've just opened Photopia here and we're going to ask our AI to actually tell us how we can go about creating a new project. What I'm going to do here is we'll come back here. Then I want to share this tab with this AI. So for you to be able to do that, immediately to start sharing, you're going to see that it's going to start hearing and understanding your conversation here. So immediately click on this, the screen, and you can start talking to this AI. Hi, I want you to help me learn Photopia here. What do I need to
Sure,
understand?
I can help you with that.
Okay.
Photopia is a free online image editor that's similar to Photoshop. What do you want to learn first?
How to use it, the basics.
Okay, let's start with the basics. You can either create a new project or open an existing one by clicking the corresponding buttons. Do you want to start a new project or open a file?
I want to start a new project.
Okay, let's start a new project then. When you click on New Project, a new window will pop up where you can set the parameters for your project, such as the size, background, and resolution. Would you like to go through these options?
Yes.
All right, let's do project window. You have some presets for different social media platforms and other options. You can also set the width and height of your project in pixels or other units. Then there is the DPI, or dots per inch, which defines the resolution. What are you going to use this project for?
I want to post it on social media.
In addition to the size and DPI, you can also set the background color and profile of your project. Do you want to change any of these settings, or do you want to go ahead with the default options?
Yes, I want to change the background color.
Okay, you want to change the back.
Yes.
Okay, to change the color of the canvas, you need to select the small box next to the word white. This will open the color picker tool. Now you can select a different color by clicking on the desired color on the spectrum. Do you want to pick a color right now?
Yes. Okay. I picked a color.
Okay, you've chosen a blue color. Now you need to click OK in the color picker dialog to apply this.
Done.
Great, now that you've selected the background color, you can click Create to start your project. Would you like to do that?
Yes, done. How do I add text in this canvas?
Okay. Okay, to add text to the canvas, you need to select the Type tool, which is the icon that looks like a T in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Then, you can click anywhere on the canvas to add your text. Do you want to try this now?
Yes, I'm trying this now. Right, how do I change the
Okay.
text color?
It seems that you have selected the Type tool and clicked on the canvas. Now you should see a blinking. Okay, added the text. This is the text. If you want to change the position, size, or font, you need to select the Move tool, which is at the top of the tool panel, the first icon on the left. Then, you can click and drag the text to move it. Do you want to try this out?
Yes. Okay. I've seen this. This is interesting. How do I change the text color?
Okay, to change text color, you need to go to the top toolbar where you can see the current color, which is blue. Click on that color box, and a color picker will pop up where you can choose a new color. Do you want to try this?
Yes. Oh, I should click on the swatches.
Okay, you have clicked on the color box for the text.
No, I haven't seen
Okay,
it.
so select the text and then choose a color from the swatches panel on the right. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Okay, let's click on the text box to highlight the text. Okay, now you've selected the text and the swatches panel. What color do you want to choose from there?
Yellow.
Okay, you selected yellow, and now the text is yellow. Is there anything else you would like to learn how to do?
Yes. How do I import images to
Is
this
there
app?
anything else I can help with? Okay, to import an image, you need to go to the top menu and click on File, then choose Open or Open in Place. Then you can select an image from your computer. Would you like me to explain anything else?
No, this is it. Thank you. Yes. This is so helpful. Thank you
You're
so much.
welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No. Wow. This is so powerful. This is amazing. Imagine you don't know anything about the software. You really want to learn something, but you don't want to go to YouTube. You want AI to teach you these things. AI is capable of doing these things now. The future is here, and this is what's happening. If someone is able to learn a software using this AI, what can what can this AI do? Because here I was just checking these things out. I saw something like web development and something like that. It's capable of creating websites. It's capable of writing things down. It can write a book for you. It can write. These are the tools that you should be using to win in 2025 going forward. The future is here. If you don't use this technologies that are coming out, all these AIs that are coming out, you're going to be replaced. And this is so powerful, such that, wow, just like this, look, you're able to share the screen with it, and it knows exactly what you are sharing with it, and it can help you. This is this is the future that we've been hearing people talking about. It's also sort of scary because a lot of jobs are going to be replaced. Not yet, because right now it's just the experimental. As you can see here, this is 2.0 Flash experimental, which means they're going to add so powerful features to it. It will be very powerful and capable of handling a lot of powerful things. This is, I don't know what to say. What do you think of this AI like this? If this was insightful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe, and please drop your opinions in the comments. I would love to hear them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.